The next Olympic Games are in Tokyo, and this activity is all based around that. And every time you do some PE, you're going to go onto this website and you're going to log that you've done some activity, and it transfers all of that your activity into kilometers. And we need to travel around the world. So if you watch this short video, this will explain your journey that you need to go on.
The 2020 Olympic and Paralympic Games are being held in Tokyo, and we want you to make the virtual journey with us.
Let's travel to Tokyo!
Every activity you log will be converted to a distance, which will help your team reach each destination on the way to Tokyo, winning prizes as you go. How far do we need to travel, Natasha? Natasha!
Oh, sorry, Anthony. Well, as we're taking the scenic route from London to Tokyo, it's 47,349 kilometres.
Wow, that's really far. Now it's your turn to travel to Tokyo.
The good thing about the journey to Tokyo is that these can be done in school and at home. So when you're at home and you go to getset.co.uk, then you click on families and it asks you what you'd like to do, and you need to log your activity, and then you will need to put in the school postcode CT196HG, and that will bring up the school. And then when you bring your select the school, then it'll ask you what activity you did. So you choose from one of these options, and you're most likely to either have done a ball game, or maybe playing in the playground, or a walk and a run. In these times, we're not going to have done anything in the water. You might have been doing some moving and dancing. Once you click that, you say, did you enjoy it? And I'm going to say that we're going to do some playground. So I'm going to input the Year 5 playground for today. I'm going to say, yes, we enjoyed it. Our playtime was for 20 minutes. We breathed faster, and we had 5 plus children, and there was 1 adult there as well. And if I submit that, it then gives me a well done screen. And it tells us where we've reached. And at the moment, we've already reached Paris and we're on our way to Athens. And that's because of the great work by Year 4. We reached Paris earlier today, and now we've got to travel to Athens in Greece. So, good luck uploading all of your activities. Keep active. You could follow one of Mr. Harrison's PE videos. That would count. Upload that. Let's make sure we are well on our way to reaching Tokyo. I look forward to seeing the updates.